17th of June 2021. Here we have a 65 kVA Perkins McAlty, fully manufactured in the United Kingdom. We usually do Perkins Stamford, however McAlty is also an option that we can supply. Acoustic vent grills, silent operation all around, and good airflow, fully made in the United Kingdom. On this particular model we have used the 7120 MK2 auto start deep sea electronics control panel. Comes with a Perkins 1104A series diesel engine, just to give you an idea of the insides. Fuel tank in the base, fuel gauge and easy access to the oil pan for maintenance. All filters are easily accessible: fuel filter, oil drain point, air filter is also easily accessible. As you can see, it's just 3 clips, very easy to, and I'm doing it with one hand. Armored wiring. The exhaust system is in the base. It goes into the base, comes back out, and then blows up the fumes in the air, rather than some generator manufacturers that use the exhaust systems at the bottom, and just does not make sense for us. The locks are tamper-proof, anti-vandal, also made in the United Kingdom, by the way. This particular model, 1104 series, you've got the turbocharger. If you can see the dust traps, so nothing can come into the generator. Everything is trapped in the dust traps. You've pulled in. Wet battery. Brand new with every generator set as standard. Battery charger is also standard. Crane hooks. We don't believe that hooks for generators should, that's our opinion by the way, it should be on the top. I'm sure there's generator manufacturers out there that prefer that, which is their choice. We also have, in the base frame, we also have forklift pockets. As you can see, a complete generator set. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and comment, and we'd appreciate your feedback. Any opinions, we're always open to opinions, we're always open to discussion, so please feel free and contact us from PWRBOX Generators, United Kingdom. Thank you.